Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A54, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now, on one of the pages, we should have our power saving mode visible. If it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, but it actually looks like it's not added by default. So we will need to click right here on this pencil. And we can see that power saving mode is right here. Now we have two different ones. We have the power saver and we have the ultra power saver. Now the ultra version of it is just a really extensive power saving mode where it removes your wallpapers, almost all applications from your home screen and all that stuff. You can test it out if you want to, but for purposes of this video I'm just going to stick with the normal one, which you want to add by holding it and then dragging it over above the text right here. And when you go back, you should have access to it on one of the pages. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it and it will get enabled, giving you this little icon right here to signify that it is right now running. And if you go back to your notifications, you should be able to see it somewhere here. So actually that is the data saver that I pointed out to. Okay, so the only differences that you can see is with the battery, and only when you pull down your notifications it shows you the battery in green color when it's enabled. When it's disabled, it just has the same color as it does in the status bar, or oh no, it's just the camera looking kind of off, so this is actually green as well. Looking at the device itself, you can see that it is green. It's just I'm looking at a screen, and on this screen that is from the camera, it just didn't really look too greenish to me. But anyway, you can see, so turn the inlay of the battery green to signify that it is right now enabled. Now, one more thing to keep in mind when using power saving mode: most of the power saving modes specifically on different devices tend to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. So even though it's going to be enabled like it is right now, once you lock the device and don't use it, it will turn it off in the background just to preserve battery. And because of that, you might not be receiving notifications from apps that require any kind of connectivity. So for instance, your Facebook notifications, maybe email fetching wouldn't be done right away when it should be. Or there are two options. So number one, it's going to delay the delivery of it. So it might just reconnect to network every so often to see if it's missing something and then deliver it to you in delayed manner. Or it just might not do that at all till you wake up the device and, for instance, open up your emails, at which point it will then check specifically if it's missing something. So just wanted to warn you about this, as this might be a deal breaker for some people. Now, in any case, once you're done with your power saving mode, find the toggle, tap on it once more, and this will revert all the changes. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.